today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry from the start, as some of you are facing issue in the trigonometry. So we are going to start from the start. Okay, तो बेसिकली ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज़ कहाँ होता है? सबसे पहले उसके लिए आप हमेशा समझ लो, यू हैव टू कंसिडर अ right angle triangle. Okay, it is always applicable in right angle triangle. सबसे पहले कुछ आपके टर्म्स पता होने चाहिए, जो कि सी दिस इज 90 डिग्री. तो 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट को हम हमेशा बोलते हैं हाइपोटेनियस. एंड सिंपली इन शॉर्ट वी वुड इन दिस चैप्टर आई वुड राइट इट एज एच. एंड लेट दिस बी एंगल, दिस एंगल बी थीटा. देन side along with the angle is called base, and the side that is opposite to the angle is called height or perpendicular. Okay, so as it is already mentioned hypotenuse, so I would be using it as P and base would be called as B. Okay, first the thing is you should know about all these things: hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. You have already studied about it in Pythagoras theorem. So what it is? Hypotenuse square is sum of square of other two side. Okay, so we would be using this property later, but before proceeding further we would have to know certain terms which are like these. Okay, first is sin theta, which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, mean P by H. Again I am drawing the rough triangle. So this time I have taken this as angle. So which angle? Sin theta is equal to P upon H. Okay, then cos theta is equal to B upon H, this. Okay, and instead of A, B, C, so this can be written as sin theta is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? BC. BC upon AB. Okay, that's why I have written is a side notation also. Similarly, B, base is AC upon AB. And the third identity, okay, let me change the color red. Okay, so this is AC, this is AB. See, this is AC, this is AB. Okay, now changing back the color to black. Okay, now another angle is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B, which mean perpendicular is BC. See this, and base is AC. So BC upon AC. Further, this is also written as sine theta upon cos theta. You can use any of these. So what is sine theta? P by h. And what is cos theta? B by h. H cuts, and what remain? P by b, which we have written earlier. Okay. Now to remember this, we were using a formula, mnemonic, that is let me write this. See, Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले चांदी तोले. So this is the mnemonic which we used to learn earlier, and further it is still used. Okay, see this. So now this is stand for sine theta. What? P by h. Cos theta. See, cos theta. B by h. See this first letter, P by h. So B by h. This is tan theta, P by b. Okay. Now we need to find certain values. Okay. Let draw a triangle. This is angle. If it is not given as theta, then you can use the vertex point. We can write it as sine A or sine theta if angle is mentioned. So sine theta is equal to what? P upon h. What is perpendicular? Opposite to the angle. BC upon AC. Now let this be 3 centimeter and this be 4 centimeter. Then we need to find, this be 3 centimeter, this be 4 centimeter. So first we need to find the AC, and AC square is equal to AB square plus BC, Pythagoras formula. So AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square is equal to AB 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16 root 25. So AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have got all the value. Okay. Now we can write sine theta. What is opposite upon this 4 by 5. Cos theta base upon 3 upon 5. Now next is tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base 4 by 3. So these are the mainly 3 value. Now we have to also understand 3 other trigonometric. So mainly these are the trigonometric ratio presently we have studied, that is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now we have to learn some other 3 other values. There are much more than that, but in your course it are up to 6 values only. Okay, now the first is cosec theta. It is reciprocal of sine theta, 1 upon sine theta. Okay, so sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So I have written the reciprocal order. So cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, just opposite of this. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, mean it would be h upon b, and the third value is cot theta, which is equal to opposite of tan theta. So 1 upon tan theta, mean base upon perpendicular. So we have got overall 6 values, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sine opposite cosec theta, cos opposite sec theta, tan opposite cot theta. Sine is p by h, this is b upon h, this is p by b. Cosec is equal to h upon p, this equal to h upon p, this equal to b upon p. Okay, now we need to learn some identities. Okay, all of you know about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what it is, again I am drawing the triangle. Let this be angle theta, A, B, C. Okay, never learn that AC square is equal to AB square. What if B is there? Then hypotenuse would change. So better you remember that the side opposite to 90 degree, this square is equal to sum of square of opposite two side. Mean what it would be? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So instead of writing this, I can write it as hypotenuse square is equal to AB, base square plus base P square, perpendicular square. Okay, so this is also known as perpendicular square, opposite square, or height. So let this be equation 1. Okay, this now divide first. Now divide by h square. So h square upon h square is equal to b square upon h square plus p upon h square. So this would come to 1, and this can be written as b upon h square plus p upon h square. So what this comes to equal? This become an identity which you would be using later, b upon h. This become cos square theta plus p upon sine square theta. So this is our first identity. What it is? That cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So we can also write it like this: cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now by rearranging this, we can get few other equation, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this is nothing but the rearrangement of first equation. Okay, now if you still remember, what was our side? H square. Okay, so again I am writing h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now last time we have divided by h square. Now divide, again I am writing one, divide equation one by p square. Now write this, say this, h square upon p square is equal to p square upon p square plus b square upon p square. Now this time this would cut. So h upon p, hypotenuse upon p. What is opposite of? See, perpendicular upon hypotenuse was sine theta and it is opposite. So it would get h square is equal to 1 plus b upon p whole square. Okay, see this h upon p, where it is? H upon p, h upon p cosec theta, and b upon h upon b, this I am written wrong. Okay, so cosec and sec theta. So this would become h upon p cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus sec, sorry, my mistake, b upon p, perpendicular upon base was, see, perpendicular upon base was tan theta and it is b upon p, so cot theta, cot square theta. So this becomes the identity, but this is usually not able to remember, so we can rearrange this, that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is nothing but the rearrangement of this equation. Okay, so to learn this easily, there is a mnemonic, that is, see, first three word cos, co, so cos, co, remember it is cosec not cos theta. ओके, कॉट, तो दोनों को मिला के हमारा कॉस को कंपनी पे निमोनिक बन गया कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. Okay, and further there can be another formula, that is, see this, now I can write it, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the three more equations. Now what is left? Again, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now divide by b square. H square is equal to p square plus b square upon b square upon b square upon b square. Now this time this would come. So h upon b, h upon b, say this, what is h upon b? H upon b, sec theta. Okay, so this will become, okay, sec square theta is equal to p by b. P by b, what it was? Tan theta. Okay, tan square theta, tan square theta plus 1. Okay, so this become, let me write it again, sec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. Now rearranging this, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and we can also, easy to remember, sec ta. Okay, sec ta. Okay, and further this can also be written as tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So we have got mainly three identity. I am writing it again here. Okay, what was first? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. As it is easy to remember, that's why we make a similarity, that is equal to 1. That's why we have arranged this formula. Okay, otherwise we have got two different form of this, two different, so total there would be 9 forms. Okay, which you can watch by going back. Okay, so these are the main identity. Now for example, some questions comes in the examination. I would be doing the couple of them, not all. Okay, for example, prove that 1 minus sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 0. Okay, say this, here it is, we have to prove this is LHS and is equal to this is RHS. So we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, if you remember, this is 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, there are two way of doing this. Let me see this, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, see this, this is 1. Okay, what if I move sin square theta to that way? Then it would become 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of this, I can write cos square theta, cos square theta minus cos square theta LHS, 1 minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. What we have done? We have written cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, this become 0 is equal to RHS, proved. Okay, and I said that there is another way also. See this, again I am writing the no need to. Okay, see this, 1 minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, what if I take minus common from this? Then this would become 1 minus within bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. See this, 1 minus, if you remember, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, is equal to 0. Written here, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. हो गया, 0 is equal to 0, LHS is equal to RHS, proved. Okay. Now the second form of identity. एंगल के रेशियो बताने बाकी हैं, फिर ये हो जाएगा. Now another identities are still to be taught. Okay. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. I've already told you that I can write it as sine A, mean I am considering this angle. Okay, so sine A is equal to BC upon AC. Similarly, cos theta is equal to AB upon AC. Tan theta is equal to what it was, P by B, mean BC upon AB. Okay, also write the other three identity, that is sine upon reciprocal cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to AC upon BC. Sec theta, no, we don't need to write the theta. Okay, sorry. AB upon BC, cos A, this is tan A, this is AC upon BC, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, cosec A. Similarly, sec A is equal to AC upon AB, and last is cot, opposite of tan, AB is equal to AB upon BC. Okay, so here I was considering this angle. Okay, so if we look from this angle, then drawing a small triangle here to explain again, see the difference. If we are considering this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base, what I said, the side adjacent to angle is called base, opposite called perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degree. Okay, what if I consider this angle now? If I consider this angle, then this would become base and this would become perpendicular and hypotenuse will remain same. So see the difference. So sine C is equal to, this would become AB upon AC, cos C, see, cos C is equal to base upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. Similarly, tan C, this will become perpendicular, AB upon BC, Similarly, write other values. Cosec C is equal to AC upon AB. Sec C is equal to AC upon BC. Similarly, cot C is equal to opposite of tan BC upon AB. Okay, now look carefully. Highlighter, yellow. Okay, now see carefully what I am doing. Okay, here we have written cos A AB upon AC. See what is here. See this, AB upon AC. Here also it is AB upon AC. So this means that cos A is same as sin C. Okay, for other I am taking other. Similarly, see this, BC upon AC is equal to, so this become equal. Similarly, tan A BC upon AB, this become equal. Cosec AC upon BC, AC upon BC, see this become equal. AC upon AB, sec cosec become equal, and cot tan. Okay, so what it would become, see this, black thick, see. Okay, let it write from sin A is equal to cos C. See, sin A is equal to cos C. Similarly, cos A is equal to, see the cos A is equal to sin C. Similarly, tan A is equal to, what it become, let's see, cot C. Cot C. Okay. Similarly, what is opposite of sine? Reciprocal. It was cosec. Cosec A. What is the reciprocal of cos? Cos sec. Sec C. See this, cosec A is equal to sec C. So you will be able, you just need to remember the main, and other are just reciprocal. Cosec sec A is equal to cosec, see just opposite, see this, sine cos opposite, sec A, tan opposite, cosec A is equal to, sorry, cosec, cot A. Cot A is equal to tan C. Hope you remember. But the main point is, okay, now understand the concept. I would not write it as sin A, cos C, cos C, C. Okay, in triangle, this is 90 degree. Okay, and sum of angle of a total angle is 180 degree. Suppose this is theta, this is theta, so this angle can be written as 90 minus theta. Okay, how? See this, let this be question mark. So this angle would be x plus theta plus 90 is equal to 180, और x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 90 माइनस थीटा, 180 90 माइनस थीटा, ओके, 90 minus theta. So you got, if this angle is 30 degree, then this would become 60 degree. If this is 10, this would become 80. Simply 90 minus angle. So I would write all of these in that form. Okay. So what it would become? Say this. Let me change the color to you. Okay. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. This means, suppose if theta is equal to 20 degree, don't take it a simple example which 30 degree, इसका मतलब sin 30 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. क्यों? 90 माइनस थीटा, थीटा की जगह आपने डाल दिया तो 60 डिग्री. Similarly, all the angle can be written as this, all can be written in the same. Okay, so you just need to write the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. Okay, क्रॉस इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा, क्या हो जाएगा? कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा, दिस साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, टेन थीटा, कॉट 90 माइनस थीटा, सेक किसका अपोजिट है? कोसेक का, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? साइन का उल्टा, कोसेक 90 माइनस थीटा, कोसेक तो सेक 90 माइनस थीटा, कॉट थीटा किसका है? 10, तो 10 90 माइनस थीटा. ओके, अब कुछ क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, फिर आपको सॉल्व करने में आसानी होगी. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वैसे आपको पता होना चाहिए. ये हमारे 5 फिंगर्स की तरह है. ओके, लेट मी ओपन दिस.